Today, the crew unboxes the latest flagship wireless earbuds, sliding open a pristine case and revealing precision-molded buds. They analyze the build as the case charges, noting the metal hinge, magnetic latch, and snug fit that hints at durability. Next comes a water-resistant skim test and a meticulous drop on a rubber mat to gauge internal sealing. Auditory performance is benchmarked with a studio mix, revealing balanced mids and punchy bass even after brief heat exposure. The finale compares charging speed and case resilience, ending with a takeaway on construction choices that shape daily reliability.